How to fix TikTok account permanently banned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can fix if your account has been permanently banned. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Chrome and at the top search bar type in unbanned TikTok accounts. Once you do so, you will see its official website at the first result that says account safety. Tap open it. Here, jump to a section that says deleting your TikTok account. Make sure that you select General Account Inquiry and under Category, select Login Issue. Under Email, type in the email address that is registered with your Snapchat account. Once done, type in your username and under Additional Information, write in your issues. If you would like to attach a screenshot of your issue, you can do that by tapping onto Upload. Once done, check all these boxes and tap on to Submit. Now you will have to wait for your email or message in your account and they will show you the customized solution for your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.